Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Step 1. Upload your meme images or videos. Open the Capwing meme generator and click Get Started to make a custom template. Step 2. Size and arrange. Step 3. Add text and image layers. Step 4. Publish and share.
Make your mark, take our lead.
April 11, 2019. Romance is far from dead in the age of memes. The newest meme to both take over Twitter and take over our hearts is the "What if we kissed" meme, whose rules are simple. Someone simply suggests a super romantic location to kiss at in the hopes of wooing one's crush or significant other.
Let's help you make your mark.
In order to make a meme go viral, you have to make sure it is seen in the first place. One rapidly growing site where memes are popular is Pinterest. This visual sharing spot is perfect for making images go viral. Other places you can place your memes include your own blogs and photo sharing sites like Flickr.
Take our lead.
How to make an Instagram meme. Upload your image, GIF or video file. Go to the meme maker for Instagram by Clidio. Make it your own. Once the upload progress bar on your image, GIF or video file has completed, the template will be displayed. Save to your device.
Let's help you make your mark.
Meme, unit of cultural information spread by imitation. The term meme, from the Greek mima, meaning imitated, was introduced in 1976 by British evolutionary biologist Richard Dawkins in his work The Selfish Gene.
Take our lead.
The most famous internet memes of all time. The Verge, Success Kid, Imager, Shut Up and Take My Money, Quick Meme, That Escalated Quickly, DeviantArt, Grumpy Cat, Know Your Meme, Exit 12, Know Your Meme, Nokia 3310.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.